Starting a grocery business in Kenya is one of the most practical ways to enter the world of entrepreneurship. Food is a basic need, and people buy groceries every day regardless of economic conditions. Whether someone lives in a busy city estate, a small town, or a rural trading center, they still need vegetables, fruits, cereals, cooking ingredients, and other household essentials. This constant demand makes the grocery business one of the most resilient and dependable ventures in the country. Many successful Kenyan entrepreneurs started with small grocery stalls and gradually expanded into larger retail shops. The good news is that you do not need millions of shillings to get started. With proper planning, a good location, quality products, and excellent customer service, a grocery business can grow steadily and provide a reliable source of income. One of the first things you should do before starting a grocery business is understand the market around you. Every location has unique customer needs. Some areas have a high demand for fresh vegetables, while others buy more fruits or dry food products. Spending time observing consumer behavior can save you from making expensive mistakes. Visit existing grocery stores in your target area and observe what customers buy most frequently. Pay attention to product prices, customer traffic, and the general business environment. Understanding your market helps you make informed decisions about what to sell and how to position your business. The location of your grocery business can determine whether it succeeds or fails. A good location should have a steady flow of people throughout the day. Residential estates are often excellent locations because residents buy groceries regularly. Areas near schools, colleges, bus stages, churches, markets, and busy roads can also attract a large number of customers. Visibility is important because customers are more likely to enter a shop they can easily see. A hidden shop may struggle even if it offers quality products at competitive prices. When selecting a location, consider factors such as rent, security, accessibility, and competition. While a busy area may have higher rent, it often attracts more customers. However, avoid locations that already have too many grocery businesses unless you have a clear strategy to stand out from the competition. A balance between affordability and customer traffic is usually the best approach. The amount of capital required depends on the size of the business you want to start. A small grocery stall may require between 20,000 Kenya shillings and 50,000 Kenya shillings. A medium-sized neighborhood grocery shop may require between 50,000 Kenya shillings and 150,000 Kenya shillings. Larger grocery businesses may require several 100,000 Kenya shillings or more. Your startup budget should cover rent, security deposit, shelving, stock, licenses, packaging materials, signage, and working capital. Working capital is particularly important because it ensures that you can continue purchasing stock while waiting for sales revenue. Many new business owners underestimate the importance of maintaining sufficient cash reserves, which can create financial difficulties during the early stages of operation. Operating legally is another important step. Depending on your location and the nature of your business, you may need permits and approvals from local authorities. A single business permit is commonly required for most small businesses in Kenya. If you handle fresh food products, health-related approvals may also be necessary. Compliance with local regulations helps you avoid fines, business interruptions, and unnecessary legal complications. Once you have secured a location and obtained the necessary licenses, the next step is setting up your grocery shop. A clean and organized shop creates a positive impression and encourages customers to return. Invest in shelves, display racks, weighing scales, storage containers, and proper lighting. Customers should be able to identify products easily without difficulty. Neat product arrangement not only improves customer experience, but also makes inventory management easier. Stock selection is one of the most important decisions in the grocery business. Fresh vegetables are usually among the fastest-moving products. Common vegetables include sukuma wiki, spinach, cabbage, tomatoes, onions, carrots, and traditional vegetables. Fruits such as bananas, oranges, avocados, watermelons, pineapples, and mangoes are also popular in many parts of Kenya. In addition to fresh produce, consider stocking dry food products and household essentials. Items such as rice, beans, sugar, cooking oil, flour, salt, tea leaves, milk, bread, soap, and detergents can increase customer convenience and boost sales. Offering a wider variety of products encourages customers to purchase multiple items during a single visit. Finding reliable suppliers is essential for profitability. Your suppliers influence product quality, availability, and pricing. Some grocery business owners purchase products directly from farmers, while others source stock from wholesale markets and distributors. Building strong relationships with suppliers can lead to better prices, flexible payment arrangements, and consistent product availability. Buying directly from farmers can significantly increase profit margins, especially when dealing with fruits and vegetables. Farmers often offer lower prices compared to middlemen. However, this approach may require transportation and proper storage facilities. It is important to compare different supply options and choose those that provide the best balance between cost and convenience. Pricing products correctly is another critical aspect of running a successful grocery business. Prices should be competitive while still allowing you to make a reasonable profit. Research competitor pricing and understand the purchasing power of customers in your area. Avoid excessive markups that may drive customers away. Instead, focus on attracting repeat customers through fair pricing and excellent service. Customer service is one of the most powerful competitive advantages in the grocery business. Friendly greetings, quick service, cleanliness, honesty, and professionalism can encourage customers to return regularly. Customers appreciate businesses where they feel respected and valued. A positive customer experience often leads to word-of-mouth referrals, which can significantly contribute to business growth. Technology can also play an important role in modern grocery businesses. Mobile money payment methods have become extremely popular in Kenya. Offering convenient payment options such as mobile money can improve customer satisfaction and increase sales. Some grocery owners also use simple inventory management systems and accounting software to track stock and monitor financial performance. Marketing does not have to be expensive. Simple strategies can help attract and retain customers. A well-designed signboard can increase visibility and attract passers-by. Social media platforms can help you promote products and special offers. Sharing fresh stock updates, discounts, and new arrivals on social media can encourage customers to visit your shop. Word-of-mouth marketing remains one of the most effective promotional methods, especially when customers are satisfied with your products and service. One challenge that grocery business owners often face is product spoilage. Fruits and vegetables are perishable and can result in losses if not managed properly. To reduce spoilage, purchase stock based on actual demand rather than assumptions. Monitor sales patterns and adjust purchasing decisions accordingly. Proper storage, ventilation, and regular stock rotation can also help preserve product quality and reduce waste. Competition is another common challenge. Grocery businesses are relatively easy to start, which means competition can be intense in some locations. Rather than competing solely on price, focus on offering better customer service, fresher products, convenient shopping experiences, and a clean business environment. Small improvements can make a significant difference in customer loyalty. Cash flow management is equally important. Some business owners struggle because they mix personal and business finances. It is advisable to keep separate records and monitor all income and expenses carefully. Maintaining accurate financial records helps you understand business performance and make informed decisions. It also enables you to identify profitable products and areas that require improvement. Inventory management is another key factor in grocery business success. Regular stock checks help prevent shortages and overstocking. Running out of popular products can frustrate customers and lead to lost sales. On the other hand, excessive stock can increase spoilage and tie up valuable capital. A balanced inventory strategy helps maintain profitability and operational efficiency. As your business grows, you can explore opportunities for expansion. Some grocery owners introduce additional services such as home delivery, fresh juice sales, mobile money services, or household products. Others open additional branches in nearby locations. Expansion should be based on strong financial performance and careful planning rather than excitement alone. The grocery business offers opportunities for entrepreneurs with different budgets and experience levels. Whether you start with 20,000 Kenya shillings or several 100,000 Kenya shillings, success depends on consistency, discipline, and customer satisfaction. Building a profitable grocery business takes time, but the rewards can be significant for those who remain committed and adaptable. Many successful grocery business owners began with humble beginnings. They focused on serving customers, managing expenses, maintaining quality products, and continuously learning from experience. Over time, they built trusted brands within their communities and achieved financial stability through persistence and hard work. If you are considering starting a grocery business in Kenya, now can be an excellent time to begin planning. Food products will always be in demand, And a well-managed grocery business can provide steady income for many years. By choosing the right location, sourcing quality products, maintaining excellent customer service, managing finances carefully, and adapting to market trends, you can build a thriving business that serves your community while generating sustainable profits. /span/p/body